In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a UPI QR code to your Zoho invoice. Adding a QR code to an invoice is a fantastic way to streamline payments, making it incredibly easy for your customers to pay using UPI. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you need to enable UPI QR code generation. Begin by navigating to the settings in your Zoho Invoice. You can find the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up various options for customization and configuration. Under the category labeled Sales, you'll want to select Invoices. This section contains all the settings related to invoice management. Now, within this Invoices section, you'll be in the General tab. Here, you will see an option for an invoice QR code. You need to toggle this option to Enabled. By doing so, you open up the possibility of adding a QR code to your invoices, a very convenient feature for UPI payments. Next, choose the type of QR code. Since we're focused on UPI in this video, go ahead and select UPI ID as the QR code type. Once you have done that, you'll need to enter your UPI ID. For example, if your UPI ID is formatted like your name @UPI, enter that specific ID in the provided field. It's crucial to make sure this is correct to avoid any payment issues down the road. After entering the UPI ID, you also have an option to provide a description for the QR code. A typical description might be something like, "Scan to pay via UPI." This description will show up along with the QR code, guiding your customers on what to do. Finally, after entering the necessary information, click on Save. Next, you want to add this QR code to your invoice PDF templates. Begin by returning to the same settings location. This time, navigate to PDF templates. Within the Templates section, locate and select Invoices. This will display all the invoice templates you currently have. Choose the template you want to modify and click on Edit. In the editing interface, look at the left sidebar and find an option labeled Other Details. This section is where you can customize additional elements of your invoice. To add the QR code, simply check the box next to Show Invoice QR Code. By checking this box, you ensure that the QR code will be displayed on the invoices generated from this template. Before wrapping up, don't forget to click Save. This action will finalize all the modifications you've made, ensuring your invoices will now feature the UPI QR code going forward. And there you have it. We have successfully added a UPI QR code to your Zoho invoice templates. This will make it much easier for your customers to complete payments seamlessly, enhancing their overall experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.